Hey, salam alaikum. Hello, everybody. So, today we're making zucchini bread. So, this zucchini bread is just so yummy. So, most of the ingredients we need are the almond flour. Then, we need also coconut flour. Coconut flour is going to help harden the bread a little bit, but not too hard, but to my taste, the way I want it. Then, we need the zucchini. One of these zucchini, this particular one is the one we're going to grate out. Then we need 2 eggs for this zucchini bread. We need the baking soda. We need the salt. Then we need a sweetener. So most of these ingredients are all eyeballed, but I did not use a particular measurement for my zucchini bread. So what I do is my baking soda, my salt, my sweetener, and my almond flour with my coconut flour. I pour them in a bowl, mix in one separate bowl. Then my eggs and my zucchini are going to be mixed in a different separate bowl too. So what I do first was I have to grate this zucchini to my taste. So these are some of the this is the zucchini that I grated. So after grating this zucchini, I have to squeeze out the water, really squeeze out the water. After squeezing out the water, I add my egg, then mix together. After mixing the egg and the zucchini together, I pour my dry ingredients. That's the almond flour, the coconut flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the sweetener. Everything I mix together right now. So the next thing we do after mixing it is pour it in a pan, depending on the kind of how you want it. This is my own flat bread. I pour it in a pan, put it in the oven for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Voila, my zucchini bread is ready. So it's so yummy, I had to take a bite of it. So salam alaikum and bye bye.